Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to silence unknown callers in WhatsApp. To silence unknown callers in WhatsApp, go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. Now from the home page, go ahead and tap the settings button at the bottom right corner, and inside the settings menu, navigate to privacy and tap on it. Now, scroll down to calls and tap on it. You will see silence unknown callers option. Toggle the switch right next to it, and when enabled, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced but still appear in your call log and notifications in WhatsApp. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.